Hi, and welcome to Clipsmixxx channel. Oh, Mr. Bean, where is your teddy? Teddy. Where is my teddy? This is my teddy. Oh, one surprise egg for Teddy and one surprise egg for Mr. Bean. Okay, Teddy, I will open this one for you, Teddy. Okay, the first one, Teddy. Teddy. Teddy, this is for me. And this is for Teddy. What's inside? Tiger again. Oh. Teddy. Panther. Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh, Teddy, this is dangerous, Teddy. Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Oh. Like Teddy. So big like Teddy. Oh, Teddy. Teddy. The collection, Teddy. Have you seen this? Okay, thank you very much. Until next time with Clipsmixxx. Bye-bye.